Good morning. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to do a walk-around video for our 1962 Austin Healey 3000 Mark II. This is a BN7 or two-seat combination that runs a 2.9 liter straight six with tri-carbs on this one. Also, this is a top shifter. Gorgeous car, owned and restored by the famous Kent Lambert, one of his prized collection of Austins. Gold winner in 2007, and we can see why. Just as pretty as can be. I wanted to do some videos to kind of show the car outside of studio lights. We're gonna do some daylight photographs today as well, but hopefully this video can really showcase how gorgeous the car is in every single detail. Nothing was overlooked. Nothing is out of place. Every button, every gauge, the shifter, the steering wheel, the leather, every nook and cranny is correct, as you would expect from one of Kent's cars. I wonder if we should do a cold start while I'm at it. We've got in the 30s for temperature, probably low 40s today maybe. Tight fit, but that's the way you want it. Okay, first we choke, twist and hold. Get the key on. That turns on the fuel pump, and then a little bit of gas. A little high idle. Great. No smoke, no problems, no leaking, no issues whatsoever. If I'm good enough, I'll open up the hood here and as nice in every detail as you would expect. Thanks guys. Let me know if I can do more pictures or videos. We're happy to show this car in any light you desire. Thanks again.